So what's up, guys? Starting today's video. I had actually just got a bunch of stuff coming in from the mail. Show you guys here right now. So the first thing I got is whoa, focus please, focus, there we go. So the first thing I got is ALLA Lighting, their strobe light for the tail light. Here it is. Got that for the hatch. I also ordered myself a license plate relocator for the front bumper. Then I ordered a bunch of quick latches for the front bumper and back bumper, because I know those tabs on those bumpers like to break. So I got these in replace of them. So all I gotta do is just clip them on and just take it off real quick. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do an install video on this later. I really don't have the tools for this, and for these also I gotta hit some people up that has the tools to do them. But today we're gonna be installing this. Super easy, super simple, and then I'm gonna show you guys on how it looks like. So I just got the ALLA Lighting LED strobe light on, and now I'm about to go test it.
What the fuck?
So I'm probably gonna end the video here. Hope you guys like it. Super easy install. It's like 20 bucks if you guys are wanting these lights. If you want it for your Hondas, I'll send a link in the description. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. I'm out. Peace.